and no one knows your name, and you're not qualified because you don't have a goddamn clue what you're talking about. That's unreal. They hire these people because they hire these women, and they have absolutely no clue, none. Most of the time, they just hire them because they're good looking or whatever, and they're sideline reporters. No big deal. But they put this one right in the main thing, like she's much to do about something. What much to do about being a moron, having no clue. I don't care who they hire as long as they know what they're talking about. But she's a joke. I can't understand. I know people get mad at me. I'm just speaking the way I feel. I came on here to tell you that I'm going to pause this video, go out to my car, and get the stuff that I bought over the last 3 or 4 days. Bring it in, put it on the couch, try to get to it, get it all shown, done, and then go put it back in my car and try to bring this stuff over. My Vikings are playing tonight, so I don't know. I might only do this one video. Maybe I'll do a second. I'm not sure. But I have all different kind of stuff. But all right, so I'm pausing. I'll be right back. Instantaneous peace.
Fall flannels at Taffy.
Okay, I'm back with the light on. With, I don't even know what this is, like a hoodie and the cards. And I realized that this was supposed to be a football break. I just forgot about it. But I don't have the spreadsheet ready. So, I mean, I know most of the people that are in the break, but maybe I'll do it after this. It's kind of funny because you got the Yankees coming on. I mean, the Yankees. You got the Astros coming on and the Vikings coming on. It kills me because, yeah, when I want to watch something, you know, I basically went on to the Cinemark website and I saw that A Quiet Place 2 was in the theaters for $5. And I'm like, probably cost more to go up there in gas money and then to pay for the movie. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So, all right. Glitchy. And there was something that I wanted to play. I don't know which one it is. You know what? Now that I think about it, it wasn't that one either. I don't remember which one it was. Maybe it was this one. It's possible. Because it wasn't this. Which I think is cool. Alright. I got a good idea. Because this will take a couple minutes. I might as well do the break, and then in the next video do the spreadsheet and then just do a recap. We'll do this really fast. I'm pretty sure this song was when they used to put this on The Walking Dead, the show after it, The Talking Dead, when they did their polls and stuff. So I was like, it sounds exactly like it. I think they just edited certain parts like this part. I don't think I ever heard that part on TV. Look at how bad I mangled that. I can't really tell. I butchered it. Anyways, there we go. Dak Prescott right on top. Okay, I'm going to go quick through these. DeAndre Swift, Emmanuel Sanders, Kyle Wiggins, Philip Lindsay, and Dwayne Collins, Malcolm Jenkins, Joey Bosa. I have no idea. Logan Thomas, A.J. Brown, Taquan Smith. There's a sweet one. That was Caleb Farley, by the way. Bennett Platt. Another sweet card. Natty Ice. One of those infusions, or whatever they call the Prestige Pros. Here's a powerhouse. Guess who it is? Chargers. Nope, not Justin. Joey Bosa. That's a sweet card. That is sweet. Of course, this one's flipped upside down. Any given Sunday, the Bills beat the Vikings. The Bills could beat the Vikings anytime. I'm a Vikings fan. Last year, the Vikings they weren't good. They were terrible. In the beginning, they were good, and they lost a lot of games close. But as the season progressed, they really weren't that great. Can't think who that is. Youth Movement. Can't tell who it is. It looks like Chase Claypool, but I can't tell. Yep, that's who it is, Chase Claypool. Alright. Joe Tryon. Chuba Hubbard, that's a rookie card. Christian Barrymore, that's a rookie. Elijah Moore, that's a rookie. Tyreek Hill, that's not a rookie. Christian Kirk, not a rookie. David Montgomery, not a rookie. Julius Peppers, I can't believe he's still playing. That's ridiculous. Who's that new Peppers? Might be his kid. Jabril, I forget. Peppers. There's a new Peppers out there. Marquise Brown, Ben Roethlisberger, Josh Allen. Thought it was the Josh Allen from the Vikings at first. Devin White, Debo Sanders, and Robert Tonyan. Never heard of him. Looks like a tight end. I don't know. I'm assuming he's a tight end. Green Bay Packers. Doesn't even list his position. That's kind of stupid. Second pack got the Dak Prescott on the top. Byron Jones, Miami. Marlon Humphrey, Michael Pittman Jr. Jerry Jeudy rookie from Denver. Mike Williams, Chargers. Raheem Mostert. Never heard of him. Niners. He's 31, so he could be it looks like he's a running back or a halfback or something. Rashawn Gary from Dak. Jamison Crowder from the Jets. Here's one of the two bronze cards you get. Terrace. I was going to say Marshall and Mason. Marshall. Terrace Marshall Jr. for Carolina. That's sweet. Although they have him in his LSU uniform for some reason. And Adam Thielen, my Vikes. Metcalf ropes in winner. Some kind of insert card. Ooh, timestamped. Ooh. Mahomes Jr. I'm pretty sure Bo got that one. Adam Thielen. Bo pretty much takes the Chargers every time. When he's on, that is. Sometimes other people take it before he gets on. Then he gets pissed. Jason Taylor, Living Legends. J.C. Horn, Panthers. Rashawn Bateman, Ravens. Rookie card, Tamorian Terry, Seahawks, in his college uniform. I don't know why they're doing it. Looks like he's Florida State. Yep. He's got the Seminole hat on. Same thing here. Kyle Trask. How would you... The Vikes are doing the skull chant. How would you like to be Kyle Trask in his Florida uniform? Goes to Tampa Bay to be their quarterback, and they get Tom Brady on free agency. I'm gonna assume Trask is still there, learning from him. I don't know. Okay, Jeremy Chin, Panthers. Yeah. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Kenny Golladay, Giants. Josh Allen for the Bills. Auden Tate for the Bengals. Danielle Hunter, Vikings. Looks like a lineman. He's a big guy. Morons named their kid Danielle. That's ridiculous. Jarvis Landry for Cleveland. Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. Bobby Wagner for Seattle. And a great card, a great way to end a pack, great way to end a break. Justin Jefferson, rookie card from the Vikings. I'll take it. Too bad. Usually I'll take my team. I didn't today. All right, let's do this quick. Chronicles Blaster. Four of them. And then two optic baseballs and a Chronicles. Two more optic baseballs and a Chronicles. Two more optic Chronicles. I'm sorry, three more optics and one Chronicle. Wow, I think I should just restart that. Two Chronicle blasters. There's hardly any time left. Minnesota, Thielen, touchdown. Of course. Six-pack of Mountain Dew. Sorry, I had to restart it. Oh my God, I start coughing really bad. All right, I got two Mega Chronicle basketballs, two Blaster Optic baseballs, and two Bowman Platinum Football Blaster boxes. And, oh good, that's it. I rushed for nothing. Okay, we're good. I'm going to continue this. I'm going to upload this and then do another. All right, Vikings 7-0.